Boom shakalaka, urgent update for all Bitcoin holders right now. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, urgent update for all Bitcoin holders right now. Before we get into it, like the video, join us on Twitter at Crypto Love, subscribe to the OG Bitcoin and Crypto YouTube channel, making daily videos since 2017. Now today, Fear and Greed Index at 29, sideways from yesterday, down from last week's neutral and last month's greed. The overall market sideways today, Bitcoin at 59,197, Ethereum at 25.27, and BNB at 5.40. Now, Bitcoin continuing in this bull flag since March. Right now, we did temporarily break out of this sideways wedge due to breakout by the beginning of September. Still have another day, but price actually came back down into it. And sometimes we can see a false break where you go back and forth inside, break above, come back down, and then maybe once again take off. But that's a big maybe, especially if we don't go down. But you know, it's either going to go up, down, or sideways. That's for guaranteed. Now, today, why does the price keep coming down? Well, this is why we can't have nice things. Bitcoin high leverage long positions been flushed the past few days, but they just keep on coming in. Yes, children playing with toys. I mean, people playing with leverage. But Bitcoin will stabilize once retail gets tired of getting liquidated and stops longing. That's never going to happen. My analysis is price is just going to continue to go up gradually. We might have big moves up, but as soon as we do, people will go in 100x long, get liquidated, the price will come back down. So, kind of like Willy Woo said at the end of 2021, we're just going to have a slow, gradual uptick of Bitcoin price. Right now, if we take a look, the short-term Bitcoin holders offloaded over $10 billion worth of Bitcoin last week as prices recover. Now, the last times they offloaded similar amounts, take a look what happened in price afterwards. Very nice price recovery afterwards. Could we be due for a price recovery? Well, you'll definitely want to stay tuned for this chart coming up shortly. Right now, though, the RSI is in the oversold zone on the 4-hour chart. This is highly possible reversal for Bitcoin happening. The previous 3 times the RSI hit oversold on the 4-hour chart saw a very strong recovery for Bitcoin. So it wouldn't be surprising if once again, as the leverage gets flushed, we would see another nice V-shaped recovery for Bitcoin. Just to give you an idea where everyone is in terms of the Bitcoin price they have bought in at. This is the Bitcoin cost basis comparison. Well, the new whales purchased Bitcoin at roughly $63,500. Binance users at roughly $55,500. Bitcoin miners, $44,000. Very interesting on that one. And long-term holders, $25,000. Which, you know, if you bought at the top of 2017, you'd still be up when it comes to things. So just take some time, hold on to Bitcoin, be patient. We are seeing signs of the beginning of a breakout. Now, while price has not yet broken previous all-time highs in March of 2024, the on-balance volume has. This means that bullish momentum has built up and likely another breakout coming for Bitcoin. We're seeing, even with the most recent price drop, a dragonfly doji candle on the monthly candles. This is when the opening and the closing are nearly the same. And if it isn't a dragonfly doji, it's definitely going to be a hammer doji. When the dragonfly doji happens at some point after a period of consolidation, we've had 6 months consolidation since March. It signals a potential reversal is about to occur. This could continue the uptrend. Right now, Bitcoin bull flag measured a price target over $100,000 per Bitcoin. Looks like we could be having the same price similar to October 2023 when Bitcoin retested the trend wrangler moving average. Last time that happened, price went from $27,000 to $72,000, a 3x. How about that? We also have this absolutely insane inverse head and shoulders with a giant head. That's what she said. And it looks very similar to what we saw here in 2017 before Bitcoin went from a few hundred to $20,000, almost 100x in price right there. So could be a very, very big move on the horizon for Bitcoin. As a matter of fact, this is why it is urgent. Right now, Bitcoin has broken out of a multi-year historic volatility trend. Now, the last time this happened was pretty much exactly when we saw this right shoulder setup of the inverse head and shoulders right there. Well, before Bitcoin did 100x, you could see right here, well, same exact setup in terms of breakout volatility. Price could be heading much, much higher for Bitcoin. Echoing that same chart pattern in 2017. We had the top, we had consolidation at the bottom, and then a little bit of sideways movement or consolidation before the near vertical price jump that is likely coming based on the average decay right here using the Bitcoin power law. Next top about $270,000 or $250,000 per Bitcoin. You want to be a millionaire? Buy 4 Bitcoin. So that's all for this episode. If you enjoyed it, like the video, join us on Twitter, subscribe to the channel, and also YouTube believes you will really enjoy that video right there. So make sure to check it out. I'll catch you later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.